Always the same.
Okay, guys, we're on video now. How are you?
Hi. Oh God. Hide me.
Jeez.
Hi there.
Hi.
So who are we saying hi to?
My video.
Look, it's fire. Camera.
Hi,
Hey, I don't want it on me. Go away.
camera. Oh, Sydney is so beautiful.
Facebook.
I can.
No, don't put it on Facebook. I'm in it.
Now that Facebook thing will be on Facebook. I was talking about Facebook. My poking stick. An advertisement for Facebook. Facebook. Okay. Look, I can sort of see the fire. Look at it.
Brilliant.
My stick.
Look at it. It's sort of good, huh? Whoa, it's good. Okay.
That is pretty, but it's not nothing.
I can't really see your face properly. Whoa!
Lily's on fire!
We're gonna burn down the house.
Burn it
Wait,
down.
wasn't
Burn
Jake
it
trying to
down.
sleep?
Burn my grass. Go.
Yeah.
Burn that.
She's sitting on the
And the noodle too.
Burning.
The camera can sort of see the noodle.
I don't know. That's
See the noodle camera.
Can you like what's it called? Do you like tag people in photos?
You talk so loud.
Oh yeah.
Tag people in videos and photos.
Yeah. Can you tag a noodle in a
Yeah.
photo?
I guess.
I'll do that so people can know what it is.
Call it Mr. Noodle.
Okay.
It's like that's a noodle. We're gonna call it Mr.
Where is
Noodle, but it's a noodle from pasta.
Careful with the log. How long is this? Is this a minute and 16 seconds? Not 18. 19. 20.
Look at it.
That's amazing, Jenny.
I know.
I love
Fire.
that. You can hurt me with it. That's my knee.
Pretty. Can I see it?
What does a marshmallow look like up close?
Don't hit me.
It's blurry.
I think it looks pretty.
Look, far away.
Far away?
It looks really neat.
Really close. Shove it on the screen.
Shove!
Don't touch my lens.
Eat.
My lens is delicate.
Eat.
Okay, catch it.
No. Hi. Wait, look at this. Isn't it pretty?
It's beautiful.
I know.
I
Marshmallow
love it.
attack!
Ew. I like this stuff. It's so cool. Attack of the Cauldron.
I'm smiling. Sorry.
Oh my God, randomness.
I'm sorry.
I don't need my hand burned again, so please don't burn my hand.
My fork is